Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Profil BBA College, Vapi. In the subject New Project Management, TYBBA, 5th semester, unit number 2, where in the market and demand analysis, we are moving with the process of market and demand analysis. This chart shows the relationship between market and demand analysis and the interrelationship between different stages. From the chart itself, we can say that the process of market and demand analysis is divided into 5 major stages. That is situational analysis, second, data collection, third, characterization of the market, fourth one, demand forecasting, and fifth one, that is market planning. We had discussed till the fourth one stage, that is demand forecasting. Now in today's session we will be continue with the stage number 5, that is market planning. So here, to enable the product to reach a desired level of a market penetration, a suitable marketing plan should be developed. Broadly, it should cover 4 major parameters under market planning. That is pricing, distribution, promotion, and service. The details that need to be hammered out can be discussed now. The first one detail under the first one criteria, that is pricing. Under pricing, different parameters need to be analyzed like ex-factory price, taxes and duties applicable for the domestic price, trade margin and discounts, final price to the domestic customer, and export price. Second one criteria, distribution, which includes planning for packaging, transportation arrangement for channel of distribution, and role of distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. The third one criteria need to be planned over here, that is promotion. So here planning for branding, advertising, personal selling, and promotional efforts. Again, the planning required for the fourth one parameter, that is service. So here planning need to be done for installation, user education, warranties, and after sales services. So these are the major 4 parameters where the planning need to be done. So up to here we had discussed 5 major steps in market and demand analysis. It should be carried out in orderly and systematic manner. As we had discussed these 5 key major stages in the market and demand analysis, the project analyst may do an informal situational analysis, which in turn may provide the basis for the formal study of other 4 stages. Thank you, students.